Today we will learn how to go from this background on Zoom to this background. So as you can see on your screen, there is a video tab, and on the right side of it, there is an upside arrow. So you can click on the upside arrow, and you can click on adjust background and effects. So I'll click it, and you can see there are multiple backgrounds by default provided by the Zoom platform. So you can use this, the one that you like. And if you want to add custom images from Google, custom backgrounds, so you can download it from Google and click on plus add image, and then you can add image from your downloaded folder. Like I have downloaded this backgrounds here, as you can see. So this way you can adjust your background, virtual background. So, and there are other options like avatars. So you can use avatars like this. If you don't want to show your face, you can use avatars like this. And there are other options like video filters which you can use. So it's looking cool, right? And other options are there like this. So you can use this. And there are also studio effects, like you can change your eyebrow, as you can see on the screen, as per your requirement. And also you can change its color and opacity. And there is also option of mustache and beard. So, and also there is a lip color option, which is, I think, especially for women. And obviously you can change the opacity. And there is also option of video, like you can mirror your video. This is I have unchecked the mirror video, so it's looking like this. You can keep it mirror, so you can see your mirrored image. And there is option of touch up my appearance. So as you can see, my face is looking real, right? So if I click on touch up my appearance, then it will make my face more smooth, more filtered, as you can see on the screen. And this is adjust for low light. So this is the actual light, and if I click on it, then it will adjust automatically according to the light. And you can do it manually as well, like you can increase or decrease the light as per your need. And there is option of portrait lighting, which will enhance your background light and your face light. So you can keep it checked. So yeah, you can always use these effects and enhance your video in the Zoom meeting.